thank you for this lovely, enlightening, and enriching class about mocktails. What a refreshing break it was, and such a respite in these summery months. Such an array of mocktails she taught us that I'm sure now my friends and family are going to be very happy. There was such lovely recipes. The colors pink, oh, blue, green, and all were like natural flavors. So it was very interesting. And I loved the way she explained this about mocktails. I didn't know that mocktails can be served as desserts. Well, she taught us so, like, even as a welcome drink, or a starter, or a dessert. And what I loved about her was that she was very patient while she was answering a simple query also. So that was great. I really loved your classes and I'm looking forward to more. Thank you. I'm Pallavi Nigam, a journalist, a personality development trainer, and an English communication coach. Well, I have an international experience of more than a decade. In India, I have worked with leading corporates like Reliance, newspapers like Hindustan Times and Dainik Jagran. And today, I am living my dream of having my own communication classes. Yes, today I train adults and kids for their communication needs. So, if you want, please connect with me.